In this lesson, we will get familiar with the pen tool and its related tools. We will also learn about different types of lines and how to draw and control shapes more accurately using paths. Welcome to another lesson of the Adobe Illustrator course. Before we begin, let's quickly check our workspace settings. The workspace used in this tutorial is Essentials Classic. Also, make sure that Smart Guides are enabled from the View menu. This will help you draw shapes more accurately by providing visual alignment guides while designing. In Adobe Illustrator, lines are created by connecting points called anchor points, forming paths. The shape you see here is made up of straight lines, while other shapes can be created using curved lines, controlled by adjusting the anchor points and their handles. To redraw these shapes, first select the Pen tool, then in the Properties panel, set your stroke weight and choose a color. Next, click on the corners of the shape to trace your lines. To break the current path and stop the line from continuing, press Escape or Enter. Then you can continue to complete your shape. Whenever you make a mistake while drawing lines, you can press Ctrl-Z to undo it. Similarly, if you want to redo an action, press Ctrl-Shift-Z. These are Bezier curves. When drawing curved lines, start by creating the first anchor point. Then click to create the second anchor point and drag the handle that appears to shape the curve. Repeat this process along the path to create your curved lines. To stop a curved line and gain full control, click on the anchor point to break its handles. This allows you to continue drawing from that point with either a straight line or a custom curve. Next, press A to select the Direct Selection tool. Then click on the anchor point you want to modify. From here, you can move the point or even delete it if needed. Next, press Shift-C to activate the Anchor Point tool. Then click directly on the path, not on the anchor point. When you click, the handle of that segment becomes active, allowing you to make the adjustments you need. While drawing a line, you can hold Shift to constrain it to 45-degree increments, allowing you to draw more precise straight lines. And this also works when creating curved lines, helping you control their direction more accurately. Now, using what we've learned so far, we'll redraw this shape. We'll start by drawing a straight line. Here we break the handle and draw another curve. Then press Escape key to stop the current path. This part is best learned through practice, figuring out where to place anchor points to draw the lines you want. Here, place the anchor point slightly above the current line to avoid creating a new point directly on the existing path. Later, you can adjust these lines using the Direct Selection tool. We'll continue using the same method for the rest of the design. Don't worry too much if the lines are slightly off. We can adjust everything at the end. Now use the Direct Selection tool to adjust any gaps or misalignments in your lines. To draw this circle, Instead of using the pen tool, which can be tricky, we'll use the ellipse tool. Hold Shift while drawing to create a perfect circle, and then hold Shift again to resize it proportionally as needed. There are two ways to remove extra lines. The first method is using the scissors tool. First, select your shape, then cut the path at the points you don't need, and finally delete the extra segment. The next tool is the Shape Builder tool. Select the circle and the lines that overlap with it, then activate the Shape Builder tool by pressing Shift-M. Click on the part of the circle you want to keep, then switch to the Selection tool, select the extra lines, and delete them. Sometimes, if the lines aren't fully connected, you might run into issues when using the Shape Builder tool. Check the line that's causing the problem, and if a point isn't properly connected to another path, use the Direct Selection tool to join it. This will fix the issue. Thank you for joining us in this part of the tutorial. To download the practice files, please check the links in the description. In the upcoming lessons, we'll cover more techniques and tips to help you improve your skills. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave your comments or questions below.